Good morning, good evening. Welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Happy Wednesday, happy great middle of the week. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to the current situation of the price action. How do you feel guys? How's your day running around? Good evening, good afternoon. Thank you so much. Ho ho ho. We'll continue trading. We made a new high earlier on the 15-minute board, 26,900s. That's quite interesting. How do you feel about this price action? Since the daily opening, we've been continuously in a uptrend, continuously riding the wave of bullishness. Respecting the algo perspective, look at that. It is no surprise the 200 EMA is delivering on the 5-minute. It is no surprise the daily volume weighted average price is also delivering. We have previous supply at this level around the 60s, so we could get that converted right now. Thank you so much guys. Let's get started with the YRM trading. YRM continuing under a great pricing and great promotions running around for YRM prop firm. Good morning, welcome everyone. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation with all the community members and all the trading groups. You guys want to do the same thing. Telegram, Discord, wherever are you located, just invite your friends, traders. We're live. And we also have to collect 180 likes. You want to make sure to participate in the giveaways by signing up to our form. Thank you. Alright, so let's just fix the green tea setup. Let's just fix it. This is an interesting account. Zero cool. So yes, let me quickly verify with Savius what's the current promotion situation. So in other words, when you created your account, depends if you are my referral for Savius. When you created your account, depends if you have created from my referral or not. If you have created from my referral, then the discounts will be available with Scrambo code. Right now we have a promotion of 60% off. Right, so the coupon code only works if you have created your account. That's the link, the new link I sent you. Alright, so you sign up directly from their website, which means you're not part of the marketing and promotions. That's why it's not working. I attached the link here. You can create a new account with a different email. And then promotions will work. Otherwise, promotions are not working because you're not considered as a member. That's how Savius is working, which is quite weird. Yes, you can use a second email. Yes, this is the new link. You can use a second email. You can have multiple accounts with Savius. Not an issue. And then if you sign up from there, the link and the code is going to work. We have an initial reaction here. Which I'd like to measure the force behind that. I'm not yet fully convinced. Testing out a long as soon as we have undercut here. 4 minis long. Take profit a little higher. Let's see what we can get. And I'm opening my Quant Tower because we have a few evaluations that are situated really well, guys. Lucid Flex evaluations, we're halfway through for a couple of accounts. Wondering about the possibility of reacting on the algo line, which is right around this levels, 845. Got to DC a little more here. So in your case scenario, if you buy the account today, you're gonna have free data for your first month, but your first month will expire on the 1st. So it's actually not a good idea to buy today, because you lose your first month quite easily, quite quickly, right? You consume, in other words, you consume your first month. What I suggest you is you can load up the account, but you can have it on pause. You can request them so you can take advantage of the promotion you want, and you tell them, I want my account to be paused until the 1st of the next month, right? And they are keeping your account on paused until the 1st of next month. So then they will activate the data feed from 1st of the next month. Hello everyone, welcome. If you buy after the 25th, they will automatically do this. They will keep the account paused and activated automatically on the 1st. Yes, you get it automatically activated after the purchase, but you have to reach out. Do not trade it. Do not trade it. Reach out and say that you want to pause. You don't want the account right now this month. You want the account from the 1st, and you want your free subscription from the 1st. You can do that. And if you're facing issues afterwards, just reach out to me on Discord and I can sort it out for you without problems. But you just have to let them know. Good day. Welcome everyone. Looking for this very interesting level, guys. Can we get something moving around? Welcome everyone, thank you so much. If the bouncing is missing from this level, then obviously 822, 813 will be the next target for the shorts. 822, 813. We got in along for my quant tower as well. We have some Lucid flexes that I want to pass. For example, the one you're watching. Good morning, good day everyone, thank you so much. We want to pass this account. We gotta make 4,500 today as well. Or maybe even less, I wouldn't mind that. Thank you so much guys for joining. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. We're down here as well. This is not looking that good. And we're missing to react. Have to step away from this one. The continuation is risky. Right? We could have this target here. That's what I'm afraid of. Whoa. That was an interesting reaction. Trading the YRM accounts, still running on the big time promotion. Trading the Lucid accounts as well, Lucid flexes. Today we're going to try to pass or get close to passing Lucid flexes. We need some more. Because as you already know, we are trying to take 5 accounts to the payout stage. Not looking good, guys. I sold partially. Had to do it. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Good evening. We're sitting on red PNL today. I'm DCing here a little bit, guys. I'm DCing here. In case this holds, we're going to have a decent entry. I've actually DC'd on my YRM accounts. Good day, good morning. Salute. Missing the force, guys. Missing the power. This is not looking good. Look at that. Where is the green candle on the 5 minutes? Time to set up something. Otherwise, excuse me, but I'm gonna chicken out. Ha 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 ha. I'm only red for the marketing. Ha ha ha. I am baiting the market makers. Ha ha. Oh. This is not a back candle. But we certainly need a triple green candle here. Triple green candle, come on. Keep moving. We're slowly becoming green. We haven't chickened out of this. And we might be rewarded. Although we have some profits here, 1,000 on some of the accounts. Move. Move. Ha ha ha. Hopefully. We're going turtle. Today we're trading turtle. Might have to get out here. This is so silly. Yeah. This is so silly. I told them I need triple green candle and they're giving me the third red. They're not listening. This is what happens when they're not listening. Unbelievable 5-minute candle. Constant rejections from the high. Touching that 900s. And we're getting suppressed afterwards. It's a pretty strong short domination, guys. It is what it is. Look at that. No one is calling anyone right now. We are under fire. 0. Support. 0. Gotta be out of this. Gotta be out of this. Daily VWAP. It's the worst place to be out. Of course, it's the worst place. But that's a hell of a pressure, guys, from the 900s. 0 reaction on meaningful levels. Not even 10, 15 points. This is so bad. This is so freaking bad. This is not lost. The max loss is 6,000. The max loss is 6,000. Yeah. We are getting attacked here from all the corners. Look at that. We're getting boxed. Make sure to like the video, guys. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. On time, of course. Yeah. It is not looking like we have fuel for the moment. They haven't triggered anything. No, this is a poor reaction. We'll try to climb back from here. Which is not going to be easy at all. That's a pretty difficult mission. Fighting back from this levels, guys. We're 4,000 down. And the expected reaction is missing. Testing out an entry here. Got DCA into. I gotta play break even as quickly as possible. Hello guys, welcome everyone. Thank you guys, appreciate it. A rule of yes, you're not allowed and you're not supposed to hedge between the prop firms. Right, so you cannot long a prop firm and short the other. You're not allowed based on terms and rules of the prop firms to do that. It is not looking that bad, but we are obviously missing the sizing that you guys are used. We're only 2 minis long here. The reason for that is simple. There is not much space for the daily loss limit. It is considered a form of hedging between the prop firms. They don't like that. They don't want you to do that. If you're longing on a firm and shorting on the other, they don't like you doing that. I don't know if prop firms cooperate, if they are sharing data. I don't know that. Stop loss break even, guys. We might be slowly climbing. I'm not exiting. I need a bigger profit here. And there is still possibility for a slow recovery. Take profit. We'll take that 600 bucks all day long. I'll take that. I just want you to give it to me. Give me that little target. Come on, guys. Nah, I'm gonna be out here. We've made about 300, what, 60, 70. Good afternoon, welcome guys. We might have to make some money by accepting smaller profits today. We might have to do that. I'm still trying to discover. Yeah. Dev experts. I'm trying to short here, guys, and see a couple of contracts. We might be able to revisit levels around 20s. So I'd like to be part of that. Yes, look at that. They're using data to collect and trying to protect. Well, they say you have a pretty good edge because of the price you're paying for the accounts and the max loss you have. You're paying $300 for $6,000 or $4,500 max loss, and somehow with some advanced strategies you can maximize. This is what they say. Because of the lack of strength, I'm thinking about something like this, right? And maybe at some point you undercut. After you created a structure, you undercut and you're running. I'm thinking about something like this. I don't know. I'm just thinking. 4 minutes short. Buenos dias, welcome everyone. Yes, lovely, lovely. Stop loss break even. Lovely. I think I'm going to take my profit within the next candle. We have a new candle opening soon, which might wick below. Come on. I'm trailing right there. I'm trailing right there. 480 bucks on my trailing. Lovely. Haha. I'm moving my trailing here. 680. Keep going. Keep going. Ha ha ha. Sold 2 contracts here. Sold 2 contracts. Trailing the rest. Lovely. We touched the trailing. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful execution. 2,900 down. Oh, that was a great profit. Wasn't it? Great one. Great profit, wasn't it? Lovely. Thank you, guys. Like the video, be subscribed. join our Discord. This is a level that should give us a reaction. We had reactions back in the day from these levels. So it's not like I am fearing a reaction, but I'm aiming towards discovering it's, if that's, you know, the right way of calling it. Aiming towards discovering a such reaction. Yeah, it's great profit. We're down 4,000. And I must be honest with you, I wouldn't... Getting back in my longs here. Yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting. Yeah, would be lovely to break out of the 40s. Break out of this level would be lovely. I have a feeling I should leave this one open and at least touch the supply we have around the 850s. To take profit there would actually give me around 1,500, but that's a long way. I've DCA'd here. I think it's an interesting level to DCA. Looking for discovering something. Trading the YRM. With all the conditions. Welcome everyone, great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining, appreciate it. You want to certainly like the video and be subscribed. You got to join our Discord. DCing in the new candle that we're opening. Yeah, there you go, lovely. I felt it guys, I felt it. It's just about a question of strength right now. And the lack of bear's presence. We somehow have to turn it off and go for a runner. We have been extremely focused since I had that 4,000 loss. The Discord is here. It's interesting how a negative PNL like that, which is close to your max daily loss limit, and that's like 4,000. That's the Discord link, buddy. 4,600 on this account daily loss limit. It's interesting if you get close to that, how your brain is changing. I've been having a better performance in many cases by being close to my limits, reacting to that pressure much better than being far away from the limits. So I think we had a beneficial time. That being said, I'm still watching. Volumetrica, order flow charts, I'm not using it. I am not an expert in that field. Therefore, I'm not touching it. Look at that price action, guys. I would love to see the current candle to be closing on green. That's the only thing I need for the next 5 minutes. We gotta make this one close green, and then we can construct on top of it. Otherwise, we're gonna be in danger on retouching the purple line. So the selling pressure didn't stop, but it has slowed down in a significant way once we have touched its meaningful levels back in the day. I need this 5-minute candle to be fully converted. Lovely, lovely reaction. Watch that, we're about to turn green. There you go. We want to see this one closing green. Thank you so much, guys. Lovely. Making some money. Yes. We have a good entry, and see how a trailing stop loss and break even would have excluded me. Good day, good morning. Look at that one, guys. This wick would have touched my trailing. When you have a low like this, even if your entry is located here, as soon as the price is going up and you're moving trailing break even, you're gonna get wiped out. We have market structures which on micro 1 minute time frames, they're revisiting the good entry spots. The price section is enjoying to revisit those very good entries that the market is offering people that are taking the risk to bid at levels that are risky. Risky because of possible strong continuation. So they're making sure you're no longer part of the active trading if you're... Look at that, Jake. We're almost turning that 4 grand into a green P&L somehow. Sneaking around. But I don't want to say that. Unless the market makers deliver something. Impressive how the price section is sitting. Oh, ho, ho. I'm out. Ha 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 ha. I'm out, and we have some lovely trading. Oh, ha 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 ha. Come on, guys. I'm out from here as well. Let's see. Stop loss break even. Stop loss break even at this point. I'm about to long it here. again. Oh my gosh. Because we still need here some money, some profits. Right? We still need about $2,000. Oh. Why are they dumping it like that on me? I don't want to give my profits back. No, no. Yeah. Trumpy candle. Ha ha ha. Run it back. The good part is the wick we have here is not going to remain untouched till the top of it, 875 today. Right, so that 875, the top of the wick we just made, is not going to remain untouched today. Yes, we always fill it back. That's the good part. So you can do an entry on lower contract sizing that you're not bothered by the market dumpings and it wouldn't affect your sizing, and just wait for the price action to go back to the top of the wick, which is around the 75. In this case scenario, we have to lose some money, guys. Indeed, you heard me right. We gotta lose some money here. Because we only need 1,600 and we have 2,600. Ha ha ha. 5 minute looks like this. We gotta lose some money at this point. Like 1,000. Jeez, everyone. They're not allowing me to transfer profits. But that would be an interesting choice, guys. Think about it. Transferring profits between the accounts. Ha 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 ha. I'm trying to lose. We gotta lose 1,000. We gotta lose 1,000 for consistency. Yep. Last week's high, 884. Let me see where's yesterday's high and low. Yesterday's high is as well. We almost touched all-time high, guys, by a single point, by 2 points actually. How crazy is that? We almost touched today an all-time high. And how silly it is to bring the price action so close to an all-time high situation, not touch it, and reverse like this. So bad. Haha. Come on, guys, do something. We gotta lose like 1,000 here. We don't need that much money because of the consistency. Blame the consistency. Do not blame me. Blame the freaking consistency, guys. My target is a stop loss. I need a loss. Ho ho ho. Do not dare to play dirty games with me. We have 45 minutes and we have to collect minimum 80 likes. We must hit 180 likes, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed. In order to do giveaways, we have to hit our target of likes. Come on, guys. If you want to be part, you gotta do it. Oh, 140s. I like that. I like that. I like that. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. The problem is, I cannot short it here. Having a great time. We're running green PNL. Remember, guys, let's just sum up the things we did here. This account was... Where's Jake? Jake saw this account. It was down 4,000. You guys remember? I told you. I love this challenge. I love this challenge. It was down 4,000. The max loss of the day was 4,600. We were still trading minis. We were still trading minis, and we were $600 away. Cleared that 4,000 loss, and we're up 2,600. Way more than we need. Now it's time to lose something because of the lovely consistency. Ha ha ha. Big Bear Carlos, you said, if anyone can get out of it, it's you, boss. Today is going to be fun. Here you go. I can't go shorts because I have longs on Lucid as well with 1 tower. I can't hedge. I can't go shorts here and have longs on Lucid. I have to go longs here as well. Make sure to join our Discord community. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with daily presentations and a lovely time. Look at that. Let's see. Ho ho ho. Move. Oh. Oh. We made some lovely profits here. We have 158,435, guys. We're so close to make this one funded. We cannot make more today for the Lucid. In this case scenario, instead of losing, we're earning. But we're gonna fix that a little later. It's time to focus on this accounts that shouldn't do this much. Oh my god. I'm out. What just happened, guys? We shouldn't earn that much because of the freaking consistency, guys. We should not earn that much because of the freaking consistency. This is a different sizing. I've closed my other trades and we'll have to look into those accounts. Oh my gosh, what's happening here, guys? Look at that. We're making money. 5 minutes long, we're printing money. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Ha ha. Yeah, we might get something even crazier and run through the 27,000 today, guys. By the way, things are portrayed. We have a ton of profit here. I think this is looking decent. So let's find out what happens in the evaluations. This is sitting on 8,435. What are we going to get out of this? I'm a little bit uncertain towards that, so better to make a step back and watch out and be careful. So let's just have a look into the accounts that we just traded. The account you're looking at, 8,435, is this one. Yes. You are breaking our policies of multiple accounts participation. You can't participate with numerous accounts. You're not allowed. It's very simple. You already know that. I told you. Yes. Not only this guy, many more, which are playing the same game. So we can't make more than 4,500 here. But we still need 565 tomorrow, and we pass this Lucid Flex. Right. 565 tomorrow, and we pass this flex. Then the next one. This one is out of the game. Out of the gate today. We lost an account today. This one is out of the gate. This one is 154.725. The data, the other data is not loading up. 154.70. So we have 4,700. This one is 3,735. Could make some more. Look at this one, guys. Look what's happening here. Look at this one. So instead of losing, we're making 4,000. Guess what? 5,000. I mean, I'm gonna lose this today. Ha 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 ha. Like and subscribe, exactly. Thank you so much for joining, appreciate it. We're gonna lose this money today, don't worry. I can fix that in no time. Thank you. see the supply appears here. We might be able to take advantage of that supply. And maybe dump it a little bit. We should be down for it. Mm. 15 grand. We're back in profits. We were down 4,000. Oh, Wanny, you want to sit right here with us on the live stream for the next period, and you're going to learn a lot of the things. Wanny. We're going to work towards helping you recover that 15 grand loss in prop firms. We're going to work towards that. I think it's doable. Yes, we had 4,000 loss in this account today. We're $600 away from the daily max loss. And we totally recovered. Not only we recovered, it's extremely hard. That's right. But you certainly want to sit around. You certainly want to sit around. And we're going to help you. Whatever single moment we're spending together, you have to consider we're helping each other. And then see how we can actually adjust from mistakes and on the learning curve. That's a good idea, inviting people on the live stream. Currently we don't have that infrastructure, but we can think about it for the future. But that's a great idea, thank you. Yeah, I mean, if they're taking this to all-time high, I'm going to have a double-digit need to lose. I don't know about giving up. You have to consider that before touching the profitable stage. I think a trader's career could be represented in stages. The stage we have prior of making money is always the stage where we lose money. And the next stage that comes after losing money can only be the stage of making money. There's no other stage. That's the good part of the situation. Of course, that doesn't mean it comes the very next day, the very next week, the very next year. That's the only problem for most of the people. They give up early. They stop trading before they would actually upgrade into the next stage that comes. I believe the stages are coming naturally and automatically for each and one of us at some point. Exactly. The question is, which is that some point? What does it mean at some point? Could be a year, could be 2 years, could be 3 months, could be 2 months. That's right. I think that is a really custom and individual question. Yeah, 1 minute to go. One minute to go. Make sure to like the video, guys. Thank you so much. There is consistency. There is. That's why I'm trying to lose 20% consistency. It's an instant funded in YRM, 150,000. You have to do some modifications. You have to do some modifications. You certainly want to be around here daily. We're live streaming and we're Oops, we have the opening, guys. There you go. I have to lose money here. I have to lose. Look at that opening. We're so close to all-time high here. And we might go for it. We might go to touch levels above 900s. We might go for it. I got my stop loss at the right levels. I think we're good with that. And that's like almost 1,500. This is going to be an interesting level here. This candle. If we do not dump here aggressively, this might continue upside. This candle right now. The fight is heavy here, and it would be the third 1 minute candle showing no acceptance below the 50s, below the 60s. Right, so we got to see how this candle closes. You see, we're pressuring. We're pressuring. We're pressuring. And we're not looking bad. Come on, touch that take profit there. Touch it. Don't you guys dare pulling the trigger so quickly. Touch it. Oh my gosh. Touch that take profit, guys. What's wrong with you? There you go, finally, celebration time, 1,680. That's how much we need. We don't need more because of the consistency. 20% consistency on the instant funding accounts. Finally, we can celebrate. Boom. Look at that. Take care about the other account, which has 207,000. This account needs that 10 grand profits. It needs it. Thank you so much, guys. We got in longs here. Lovely profits. Lovely. Have DCA'd a little more. Add it to this. For 6 minis. I'm re-DCAing here. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds. Hold my beer. We might be on something. We might be on something here. 820s. I need a prompt reaction right now. Prompt reaction all the way above 40s. Look at that. Someone is listening and is delivering. Ha ha ha. We're out here in 7 minis exposed. All the way back to 80s. This will give me about 8,000 bucks. But you see, it's just a dream. It's just a target. It has to be materialized. I think we're on the decent side. Come on, move. Move right now. I'm gonna go break even quite soon, guys. Stop loss break even. We need a prompt, aggressive reaction. 50, 60 points. Look at that one. Stop loss break even, guys. 2,000 bucks profit. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I could get out of this trade here and enjoy. But the thing is, this account needs a lot. Our highest day is 34 grand with 20% consistency. 34 grand, highest day, 20% consistency on that. Push, come on. We had our first green candle closing on a minute. We gotta push. There is no mercy here. You want to take this one all the way at least to 50s. At least. Push. Minimum 180 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Come on, bring it on. Bring it on. Yeah, that's why I'd like to do it like, you know, maybe 8,000, 10,000 today. Lovely. They're listening, guys. I told you, 850s, they're listening. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. I'm holding here. Give me the third green candle in a row. Don't you dare. Oh. We have to trail here. Yeah, we had to trail. 1,000 profit. We had to trail there, guys. We might do this. Right, so we might undercut here. And that's where I'd like to hit on my longs. Look at that. The next candle, the next 5-minute candle. Should be a lovely one for me. The next 5-minute candle. I mean, we were respecting this purple line incredibly. The purple line is the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. $1,075. Still waiting. I'm about to fall asleep. this new 5-minute candle. Can we have an impulse here? I'm testing the following. I'm testing the following, guys. The following idea. It's not looking too exciting. Yeah. We got stopped out there. It's insane, guys. We just got stopped out there. And then it does 30 points to the upside. Look at that. Unbelievable. This is such a scam, right? %, it expired. You always get the best discount you have in your vault by using Scramble code. You always get the best discount available. 50, I think it's no longer available right now. I'm testing a short, guys. I have a feeling that we might need to do another wick downwards. And I would love to take some of that, couple of $100. I don't need more. With a take profit around this level, we're going to take 2,000 bucks profit. 2,500. And we're just 2 candles away of the right color. Yes. I want to see the support appearing here, guys. So high. Gotta put a stop loss there. There's no other choice, unfortunately. Yeah. Crazy how they move it up from here. This is so fake. So this candle and this price action is so fake. Unbelievable. Look at that. All that space. All that space. You don't take anything from here. Anything. Any liquidity from there. Anything. Nothing. Nah. You're not playing games with me. We have a ton in this account. 55 grand profit. But I don't like losing like this. Reshorting this silly situation. And I'll have my stop loss once again at the top. Will they give me? Nah. It's pushing. I'm adding a little bit to this. Adding a little bit to this. You know, the account is having a ton of money inside, but it's risky for the opening. We're not receiving that red candle for the moment, which is something I am hunting. Look at that. We're so close to the daily limit, daily max loss. Bring it down, baby. A huge buffer. Yeah, daily loss limit 4,500. Huge buffer is hard to be traded and dealt with it. No double bottom, nothing. Just a massive 5-minute red candle. No retest, nothing like this. No structure. Grinding. Not an issue here at all. We have 52,900 profit in the account. 52. The daily loss limit is 4,500. So basically 12 daily loss limits. 12. We're going to start trading our fresh account. We have a fresh account of the YRM. Probably the next candle is something I'm trying to short, probably. Look at that. 884, last week's high. We haven't touched it. This accounts are instant funded. You have a $3,000 limit for the payout. Yes, the extended ceasefire. We're looking for the all-time high. Look at that drop, guys. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable. This is what I've been looking for in the previous account. This candle. Look at that denial. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable, silly. They are doing dirty and silly games with us. Taking me out on a daily loss limit. What do you think about the next candle, guys? This is going below 820s. I'm testing a little short here. It's a fresh account, this one. And I'm going to take my profits here. I'm going for a continuation, guys. I don't mind that. We're making some nice money. Oh, come on. We're going to hit a take profit there. We're making some nice money here. We have 4,000 on Quant Tower. Probably. So if we don't touch minimum 180 likes in 15 minutes, that's the target. We have to touch that. Then we cannot do the giveaways. No giveaways. Stop loss break even, guys. Yeah, unfortunately. Had to do it. Had to do it because of the previous candle. Had to go break even. We have our trades running here. Stop loss break even. And we might be going for little and nice target. Haha. 812. Look at that one, guys. That's quite juicy, right? Don't you dare having a double rejection here, because I have to be out if you do that. I have to be out if you do that. Lovely. We're trailing here. We're also trailing for this account too. Right above the candle for this one. And a take profit here. Good. We close one of the trades. And then this account remains like this. We're going to trail here for this one too. There you go. At the opening of the current candle, around 28. With a take profit below the previous wick. Give me that lovely profits. Take profit has been hit, guys. That's beautiful. Take profit has been hit. Celebration time. Lovely $5,000 here. We needed this so much. Ho, 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 ho. And we had a great short on the other account too. For the YRM. Lovely. We made some nice money YRM here. We scalped quickly 865 on the brand new account. Fireworks time. 865 quickly. Thank you so much, guys. Boom. Finally, some great news. $865 here. $5,000 on this side. Yep. Look at that. Holding incredibly well. Incredibly well. Look at that. The algos are working. Look at that. Perfectly, guys. The algos are working perfectly. Ha 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 ha. We got in longs here. We got in longs here. Remember, guys, we have 10 minutes to go to hit 180 likes. Lovely, lovely entries. Run it back, guys. Come on, run it back. Run it back. That's an $8,000 profit in the account. I like to go for 15-20s here today, if you don't mind. Ha 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 ha. Look at that one, guys. I think this is going to be a runner. I don't think we don't get to last week's high, 884. I don't think we don't do that, guys. It's, you know, indeed 30 points from here, but that's some good money to be secured. That 884 with a very good possibility. Let me show you the numbers around. Look at that, guys. I mean, the buying pressure here for the past... what? Like 70, 80 minutes. Demonstrated a lot. Demonstrated. Delivered and confirmed. We're gonna go break even here with the stop losses. Even this one, right? So no one wants to lose after having a profitable trade. No one wants to lose, I'm sorry. But I'm not ready to give anything back. Yeah. Let's go, guys, for the all-time high. You want to stop being choppy here so much and release the pressure for the upside. We don't need you to revisit 840s, 835. You did that dozens of times in the past couple of hours without allowing some great trades for a runner. Look at that. Allow me to make some money, guys, for 30, 40 points above the all-time high. You don't have to revisit these places for trailings, stop loss. Come on, guys. I'm moving my trailing right next to the wick. Right, so the gap between the wick and my entry is not worth to be left on a table. If we ever come back to that wick, we would have a huge chance to touch my entry. Come on. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger here. Few points. That's fine. 6,000 profit. That's fine. But look at that. Unbelievable candlestick we've got here, guys, in the 5-minute. Unbelievable. Ha 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 ha. Unbelievable. And then they do this. So they're playing with the retail traders coming back to great entry spots. Playing piano, the barcode patterns are here. You see, with all this price action, I'm a little bit concerned longing, even though I believe in the longs. But I'm a little bit concerned because of the scams we had, and they're wiping the confidence part out of you. I think I like this 6,000 a little more than any other possible value that I could have higher than this. And I think I had to accept that idea for the moment. Again, I like this 6,000 way more than any other possible higher value that I might have today. And I have to get used to that. So I'm not gonna push this account anymore today. We're sitting nicely. We're 2 accounts quite close to getting funded, I think. 2 accounts. No, it's just one actually. It's just one. We gotta do $560 tomorrow, and we're gonna have a Lucid Flex funded one more. I think there is a great possibility, a very good possibility actually, for a 27,000 rush. And then what? Ha ha ha. Resignation. Do you think he's gonna do it? He wanna take Nasdaq to 30,000 first. So we might see 30,000 on Nasdaq before he resignates. Ha ha. I'm out here. We made money. 2,980. I was showing you the wrong screen. We made 2,980, guys. We were in the long here. Celebration time. Come on, guys. Scrambos and fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. Let's go, guys. Look at that. 2,980. Bust. Hit a floor, guys. Hit a floor. 2,009. We gotta lose. We gotta lose. 1,200. Because of consistency. We gotta lose because of the consistency. Haha. Yes. Fatty's gonna inject some money. Cryptos will fly. Come on, guys. Rip it. We only need little money here. Rip it. We were in lovely, nice longs 10 minutes earlier on my Quantower Lucid Flexes. No consistency on the funded stage, no target. And they were coming back to my entries to trail me out. So I was going defensiveness. And I paid the price of being too defensive, right? Look at that. We're making money instead of losing. Hey. We got consistency. Do not give me those profits here. Ha ha ha. To the moon. Give me that 27,000 right now. So I can look at that price action, fellas. Nah. They might be running it down. They might be running it down. Thank you, guys. It's very important to make some money in your first day of the account and sizing. A few more minutes to hit the likes. Few more minutes. About 3 to 4 minutes to hit the likes. Come on, guys. Yes. This is a heavy sell point of yesterday. We have yesterday's high, today's high at this level. But watch out how we can easily smash through this. There's too many people expecting shorts to work during this range. Watching an apocalyptic price action based on the outcome of the political and social safety and security side of the world. Fair enough. Cryptos are flying. They still have to fly a lot more. Yes, we got the likes. Thank you so much. Giveaways will start very, very, very soon. And we might hit that lovely loss that we need. Come on. Just a little deeper. Oh, look at that. They're watching me and playing Tom and Jerry. They're playing Tom and Jerry with me. Oh my gosh. They're playing games. Ha ha ha. Yes. Thank you, guys. We're starting the giveaways very, very soon. But they're playing. Come on, move, move, move. I'm gonna leave this open and we start the giveaways in 2 minutes. 2 minutes and we start the giveaways. Ladies and gentlemen. That's where we up to. We need the ducks. We need the wheel. And we need a formula. You want to complete a form. You certainly do not want to underestimate the capabilities of our safety and security system of the giveaway. Complete a form, everyone. Complete a form. And I'm going to tell you the other participation rules soon. Come on. Can we hit that stop loss? That's the only thing I need. Lovely. Finally, 1,700. We still have to lose a little more here, like $100. Lovely, 1,560. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, as much as we need for the consistency values to be online. And now we're getting ready for the ducks, for the whales, and for whatever is out here. We're getting ready. We had a great day on YRM. Great day on Lucid as well, with thousands in profits. Thank you, guys. Fill up the form, guys, and have a good time. We might be going for a strong runner. Look at that. Are they capable, not allowing us to touch levels above 900 today? I think it's very unlikely. However, let's talk about the giveaways. First giveaway, $25,000. Tap 1 futures. Ignite account, instant funded. $25,000. Tap 1 futures. Ignite, instant funded. Wow, look at that buying pressure. Ho, 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 ho. Oh. Ho, 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 ho. Lovely. Well, just for you to know, we got in our longs back here for the Lucid. Ha ha ha. We got back in our longs here. And they're gonna run in the background. So watch out, guys. Let me tell you how you participate. You have to fill up the form. You have to fill up the form. Everyone, you have to like the video. We're sitting above the 900s. Not bad. Everyone, you gotta like the video. That's how you participate. If you want. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. We're having 220 people watching. There is no way we can have less likes than this. And you gotta be part of our Discord. Thank you. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not guess multiple times. Very important to respect the rules. Guess the number between 0 and 5. Each number has a single entry on the wheel. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Guess the number between 0 and 5. You can start right now. Oh, we had a lovely day. We had a lovely day, I'm telling you. Such a good time. Such a good feeling. And if it wasn't perfect, great, or decent for you, remember that it is important to have other opportunities as well, such as the next day. As long as you have opportunities to make it better, it's good, guys. It's good. Which means you're living and you can deliver. If you have opportunity, it's no issue that you've lost, you had a difficult time, you've been challenged, you've been facing an undesirable situation. As long as you have an opportunity to modify that, you focus on the opportunity to modify it. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there, guys. Thank you so much. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to do this. We're going to have a bonus time, a bonus round, which means bonus account plus one more Ignite account, right? One more 25k Ignite instant funded. If this is gonna hit, guys, we're gonna have a one more. Look at that, how many bonus entries I'm gonna add right there. Best of luck, everyone. We have a ton of bonus entries, which means there's 2 accounts if the bonus hits. Only 1 entry. Yes, we do this daily. Will it be number 4? We might be having number 4, guys. I think we're gonna have number 4. There you go. Time to say congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. We had 913 for Nasdaq. Gotta put stop loss break even. This might be reversing from here, and I don't want to be part of that. Lovely. Number 4 for the winners. Time for the ducks to come out a little. There you go. $36 winners. 30 seconds competition time. We can start right there. Best of luck. Who's gonna win? Smith is leading. Yet it's not leading at the right time. Linda Forever. Making a step forward and winning. Linda Forever. Congratulations. There you go. Linda, Harry, Trish, Babar, you're there. Fred. Fred is in front of Badger. Look at that, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Time to see if Linda filled up the form. Did you? Let's see. Linda. Yes, Linda Forever did fill up the form. Congratulations. Good job. $25,000 Ignite account goes out to you. Congratulations. Ha ha ha. That's right. I wasn't that lucky at this time. You know, I need a warm-up. I need a warm-up round. Incredible candlestick, guys. Incredible. Second giveaway. Time for the second giveaway. Lucid Pro. Time for the second giveaway. Lucid Pro. I was watching my order. We're still having them active. Look at that one. They're here. Haha. Let me move my trailing a little bit higher, guys. Just right below the current green candle. I'd like to see 100 points in 2 green candles of 1 minute. 100 points in 10 minutes is 20 grand. On top of the 10 we have, would it be 30? Making money. So 50,000 Lucid Pro for the third giveaway. We're going to have number 5, number 7, number 8. 3 different numbers. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice. We got a third as well sitting around. Got stopped out on the third. Only 2 of them have this position active. 930s. 930s. Look at the money. We have 10 grand profit in this trade. 10,000 profit. 11,000. It's running. We have 16 grand in the account. It is juicy. So guess the number 5, 7, and 8. Those are the 3 entries. Guess the number. 50,000 Lucid Pro is what we're sharing on this one. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Thank you. Stop right there. I'd like to see 27,000. I hope you don't mind it. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Hope you came in time. Trading about the 40s. This could be the number 5, guys. Could be the number 5. I'm telling you, it's not going to be number 8. It's not going to be number 7. Here you go. Number 5. Congratulations for the winners. We are secured for that. Cheers, everyone. Number 5 for the winners. This is the second giveaway. We're going to have one more. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Number 5 for the winners. Extremely rigged, guys. Be careful. We're playing a dirty game here. But there's 59 winners. Let me tell you something, guys. Let's do something interesting. Yeah, we have 61 totally. So we're gonna take, listen up, guys, 30 seconds competition time. We're gonna take the first ranked and the last ranked and have the second round competition. First ranked and second, first and last. First and last will qualify for second round. You see, it's right now important to be the last. It's important to be the last, just as the first. First and last. The best part is you don't see by the ducks which are the last. Fefabusi Trades is winning the race. Congratulations. Time to see the last. If you see our names around here in the top 10, well, you're certainly not the last then. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Quickly moving around. And Newbie. Newbie is the last. Which means Newbie Kiss and Fefabusi Trades as soon as you guys completed a form. Oh. That you filled up the form. Fefabusi Trades, yes, you filled up the form. Congratulations. Good job. And then we have the last one, Newbie. Newbie. Did you? Oh, you didn't fill up the form, Newbie. What an opportunity has been missed. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Oh, wake up, Scrambo. What have you done? Ha 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 ha. Oh, next one is Yoshi. Yoshi, did you fill up the form, buddy? Yoshi, whatever. Ha 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 ha. Oh. What an opportunity, having a good time. Great. Here we are. So let's just have them together. Yoshi. There you go. I'm going to take your name along with Fefabusi. There you go. Let's put it this way. Let's have a little modification. 512 ducks. Listen. 512 ducks. consisting your name. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. 512 ducks with your names, which means cut it in half. 256, right? 256 with one and Fefebusi. Oh, the duck race. Congratulations. There you go. Here we have it. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations out here. Oh, congratulations. Going for the third giveaway. Going for the third giveaway. Oh, watch out what's happening in the P&L side. We're trading out of my screen. Look at that, guys. 16 grand profit. Well, we have $22,000 profit in this one. $22,000 profit in this one. And I'm still leaving it open. I'm cutting right now. I'm cutting right now 50%, guys. I sold half of it here for this one. And I'm selling half of it here for the other one. And I'm trailing whatever is left here, right? And I'm trailing for the other, whatever is left, 5 contracts right there. 23,000 freaking dollars profits if I close out fully, but we have secured half of it. And now we're going for juicy 27 grand. But in the meantime, I'd like to do the third giveaway. Do not rush. We're trading on 970s. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Making all-time highs on top of all-time highs. Ha ha ha. Might be getting out of this, guys. Might be selling everything here. It's so tempting. Alright, guys. So let's talk about the last giveaway. Let's talk about the last giveaway. 50 grand YRM for the last. We're gonna verify if he's a bot or not. We're gonna verify that. We're gonna verify that for sure. So 50,000 YRM. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out, watch out, watch out for the numbers. We're gonna do 2 different numbers and that's it. We're gonna do the 0 and the 7 and that's it. 0 and 7, you can start right there. You can start right there. 0 and 7. 0 and 7. Guess the best number. Ha ha ha. You made it today, Jake, but let me show you something. You have to make this. P&L $22,000. If I get out here, we'll still have 8,000 running. Ha ha ha. $23,000 net P&L moving around. 260 in the account. Lovely juice. Ha ha ha. No spamming, a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not play dirty games. We will find you out. And you're gonna be butthurt. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Well, you shouldn't be butthurt when you do something on purpose. Even if you play the victim game and you say, well, Scramble, you only repeated that 5 times. I was expecting you to repeat the freaking rules 6 times. So you're wrong on that. Ha 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 ha. Here you go. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Stop right there. Shuffle. Well, let's do something funny as usually. Let's have a bonus here. Plus 50k YRM bonus. Like one more. Right? So let's have one more account for bonus here. And let's have 2 entries for that. 2 entries for the numbers. 2 entries for the bonus. Exactly. Bonus time. I think it's going to be the red. What do you guys think about? Can I stop the paddle on the red? Ha ha ha. We have the bonus time. But you have to secure your bonus. And the only way you secure your bonus is by hitting the number, which advances to the duck race. Congratulations, we have one more 50,000 account. Lovely. Lovely. We have a 50 grand attached to this. Additionally, bonus time. But guess what? You have to survive the next level of the bonus. So instead of the plus, we're going to have a minus, which means if you hit that, you lose the bonus. And unfortunately, we're going to have some additional entries right there. Best of luck, everyone. Oh my gosh. I'm not taking it away, guys. You have your 0 and your 7 there. Watch that. Put your glasses on. You have your 0 and your 7 on the wheel. Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. You might hit that 0, guys. You might hit that 0 and then you don't lose the bonus. And I'm gonna get angry. Look at that. You don't lose the bonus, guys. We hit the 0. Congratulations. We're gonna have 2 accounts. It's going 2 accounts today. Look at that. I got cooked. I got cooked, guys. What's happening? My system is rigged against the boss. The system is rigged against the boss. Look at that. Is this legit? I got rigged. Congratulations for the winners. Oh, incredible. You want to get a taste of this? 24,000. Let me get out. Let me get out. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Let me get out this one too. 24,200. 24,200. Celebration time. Look at that. Celebration time, fellas. Time to pick up the right numbers and go for the last race. We're giving out 2 accounts. 104 winners, which means we have 2 rounds. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna run a round of fireworks for what we have achieved there. $24,000. No consistency, no target. This is what it means. And this is the name of the game. Boom. Oh. Now, let's do the following. We're gonna take the first ranked. You guys will swim 1 minute and 30 seconds. We're gonna take the first ranked, the 3rd ranked, the 5th ranked, and the last. 1st, 3rd, 5th, and the last for the 2nd round. Best of luck, everyone. 1st, 3rd, 5th, and the last will go to the 2nd round. In 2nd round, the very best 2 will win. Why you don't see your name? Because we have numerous ducks and some of them are behind. You might just want to be the last. You don't have to beat Badger. You might just want to be the last. Martin, look at that Martin. He's wearing the hat. And it's playing the YOLO. Oh. Oh. Fefabusi Trades is telling us something. Look it up, guys, in the chat. Fefabusi Trades, the winner of the 50,000 Lucid Pro, says, Scramble, I'd like to give my account back to the community, if I may. Let's rerun the 50,000 Lucid Pro. Let's run a round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you so much, buddy. We're going to do that. We're going to have the 4th giveaway today. Thank you. Appreciate it. Congratulations. Thank you. So who's speeding up, guys? Who's speeding up? There you go. Oh, look at that. First, third. I need a translation for the third. I need a translation for the third name. And then the fifth. Right? So first, the translation name for the third ranked. The fifth Brewskeen. Bob. You got right between the winners. Not the best spot. Even for the second. And then the last is Joelas. Congratulations. Oh, he trades by now. Genius, you were so close. So close, genius. We're going to say for the third, 10, right? Alright, guys, so let's just have a look into how do I search that guy. First things first, we're going to take this guy. So Zidar is confirmed. The third one, we're going to search him for the last. We're going to search for Brewskeen right now. Brewski's here. Right. Oh, look at that. Copy from Discord. That's right. I can see that Fefabusi. I'm sorry. Looks like we had a scammer, right? I'm gonna copy from Discord. I'm gonna copy. There you go. Did you fill up the form? No. You didn't fill up the form, buddy. Thank you. You didn't fill out the form. You didn't fill out the form. Wait. You're second, but we're taking the first, the third, and the fifth, and the last. You didn't fill out the form. Let's see this way. You didn't fill out the form, buddy. Right, so the next one comes, which is Bob. Bob Edmondson, the next one, after the one that didn't fill up the form. Bob, did you fill up, Bob? Yes. So we have Zidar, Bob, Brewskeen, and Joel S. Yes, confirmed here as well. Congratulations. Lovely. Zidar, Bob, and Brewskeen. These are the 4 winners. Top 2 will win, guys. Top 2. We had the first, the third, the fifth, and the last one. First, third, fifth, and last. Best of luck, everyone. Top 2 will win accounts. 50,000 YRM for the top 2. You see, we got out of the trade. The market is trading below my exit. You were unlucky today, Teo Bugliolo. First, third, fifth. I announced it from the beginning. First and second will win. Brewskeen and Joelas. Winners. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you. We've got you. Brewskeen and Joelas. Congratulations. Lovely. You guys have won. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. You're going to reach out to me on Discord. Reach out to me on Discord to grab your accounts, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Watching the little price section here. 996. We didn't touch 27,000. Weird. But, you know, careful with the markets. Careful, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time out there. Thank you once again, fellas. It was my pleasure. Meet you up tomorrow. Fefebusi said, so the account we got earlier, that message from Fefebusi was fake. And then the real Fefebusi came saying that he's not giving his account. No more Lucid, guys. No more Lucid. You didn't watch the chat. No more Lucid because the Fefebusi guy claimed his account. Crazy, right? What happened? Yeah. That guy that said he's giving it away, he was a fake Fefebusi. Fake. See you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time. Thank you so much. Join us in Discord. We keep up the conversation there. Exactly.